Welcome back and Merry Christmas Eve. Our alert day continues this evening. Even though the roads are a lot better than yesterday, a few slick spots are still possible. And boy, it's going to feel bitterly cold and windy. Avoid travel if possible because the roads are going to continue to get better for the rest of the holiday weekend. A bitterly cold night. The air temperature is going to be 6 degrees when you wake up Christmas morning, but the feels like could be anywhere from 10 to 15 below zero due to that gusty westerly wind. Travel conditions, a yellow light tonight. A few areas could be slick and slippery, especially bridges and overpasses, and those country roads still have snow on them, and there is still a bit of blowing and drifting, although at least in the city the blowing has calmed down this evening. Christmas Day, it is going to be cold outside and better travel conditions on Monday for post-holiday travel. Now, one of the effects of this bitter cold is freezing over the Maumee River. Look at all these ice chunks in downtown Toledo on the mighty Maumee. Just a week ago, none of that was there. I honestly can't remember the last time I saw this much ice form on the Maumee River in just a matter of a couple days. Current conditions, we've got a temperature of 12 degrees and it is still gusty outside. I'm trying to be an optimist here. We're actually 12 degrees warmer than we were at this time yesterday. We were at a 0 degree mark 24 hours ago. And wind chills though, the wind tells the story. It is 8 below in Fremont, feels like 8 below in the Toledo Metro, same for Hillsdale, and the wind chill is 6 below in Lenawee County. Now, when it's this cold outside, you got to have a little bit of fun with the forecast, and it's safe to say that hell has frozen over. Hell, Michigan is a city, actually, folks, and the wind chill is 9 below zero. Tatiana got a good laugh out of that one. So Toledo is officially colder than hell with the wind chill at 8 degrees below zero. And with the cold temperatures, we are looking at white Christmas chances guaranteed. When you wake up tomorrow, there is going to be snow on the ground. Now, one of the other interesting impacts of this bitter cold is the effects that it's had on our lake. We'll be talking about that in a second, but I want to talk about the North Pole as well and how prepared Santa Claus is for our weather here. Toledo got down to 3 degrees below zero this weekend. The typical winter temperature in the North Pole is 40 below. Our wind chills got close to that, so needless to say, Santa's warm outfit is going to keep him nice and toasty tonight. Now, the cold and the wind also really affected Lake Erie. Our lake levels on the western basin dropped a full 11 feet in a matter of 24 hours. Where did that water go? The answer is Buffalo, New York. It basically took a trip from one side to the other side of the lake, and our current water level, 2 feet below normal. You can see that drop there. We were nice and level for a couple days, and then it just suddenly plummeted. The reason for that? The wind direction coming out of the west-southwest is almost directly parallel to Lake Erie. That water was transported to Buffalo, and I have a good question. What happened to the fish? I really don't know the answer. If you do, send me an answer on social media. Now, if you like it warmer, bitterly cold Christmas weekend, this is an unbelievable temperature swing. By New Year's Eve, we're going to come close to 60 degrees, and I can't wait to show you the big thaw in that 10-day forecast. It'll be a chilly start to the week. We'll be in the 40s by Wednesday. Rain showers and a mild feel to cap off 2022. And as we ring in the new year, temperatures are going to be close to 60 degrees. All that snow is going to be gone by next weekend with a much warmer feel.